This is Matt Hun with MDH Technologies. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to show you how to install our new RMM software. So often we will install the software for you. However, if for one reason or another you receive a link with instructions from us or from your employer, what have you, to install the software, it would likely look something like this. So here I've got the email with a link. There may be a little bit more body to it, an explanation or whatever, but the link should look something like this. All you need to do is click on the link to download the file there, and then it'll go to your downloads folder, which you don't see. It's on my other screen, but I'm just going to go ahead and launch the application here. All right. If you get a prompt that asks you if it's okay to run, just go ahead and agree. You'll get a box like this. All you need to do is select single agent install and then hit the install button. That's it. There's nothing else to do. You don't have to fill out any of these. That's for other type of use, which you would not be required to do. So installing the RMM agent can take several minutes because it's going to run through some various tests. Even if on one or more of these items you get a warning or error symbol, most likely everything is okay, and we'd be able to remediate any of those issues on our end. Typically, once the software is installed, it only takes a matter of 2 to 5 minutes to start checking into our NOC. Once it starts checking into our NOC, we should be able to remote access to your machine if you need it for help. We'll push out another piece of software to your machine that will allow you to create support tickets and all of that directly from your own computer. That's the subject of another video, so I won't discuss that today. But basically, you see it's kind of going through its tests, and once it completes, basically that's all there is to it. So we'll just go ahead and let it run through all of its standard tests and so on here, so you can get an idea of what the install process is like. Again, it may take several minutes, but just depends on the speed of the machine, the speed of the internet connection, and that sort of thing. There we go. So it's performed all these tests and everything looks good. At this point, I can go ahead and close the RMM software. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for joining me today on our session about how to install the MDH Tech RMM software.